Certified SolidWorks Associate Sample Exam Question 5. You should take the part which you have created in the previous question and modify it based on the drawings that you have. You should be careful just with the sizes which are pointed in this question. Everything else remains the same. My first hint is always check your material because it may change in some of the questions. The materials is still the same steel. Then you have to modify A, B, E, C if they are for modifications. So go to manage equation, change the values to the ones that you need. I have done this already. Okay, rebuild just in case and start implementing the changes which you see in the drawing. First, I will start with a sketch here. And we have to add this circular hole, which is through all. It's with a diameter of 11. And it's on distance 14 from the top and the side. This is extrude cut through all. The next are these two cutouts here, which we see in this view. Again, I will make a sketch on this face. I will make a rectangle . It's on 19 from the bottom and with width 52. Now I will make an extrude cut, flip side to cut, and this should be with depth of 19. The next thing that we have is this cut in the middle. As you can see, it's related to the back side only. So you don't have the distance here, you have the distance here and the complete length of this cut. Which means we start with the sketch here. And then what we have to do is add this is vertical, collinear, so this arc should be coincident with the point here. The radius is 41. This point is coincident with here, and this distance from here up to here should be 36. Now, when we start making the cut, we start with extrude cut. It should be on offset of 12. Be careful with the direction of the offset and with the direction of the cut. And the cut itself should be 24. Before giving an answer, check well if you're not missing something. This is exactly as it should look like. I'm not missing anything, so Now we can check what is the overall mass of the part. So we go to Evaluate, Mass Properties, and we have a mass of 628.18 grams. 628.18 grams. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!